Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to set your Discord status to automatically clear after 4 hours. This is a handy feature if you want your status to update itself without having to remember to change it later. Whether you're stepping away from your computer or just want to keep your status fresh, this quick guide will help you set it up in no time. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Tap on it. This is where you can customize your status and other personal settings. Next, you'll see an option labeled Set Status right next to your profile picture. Tap on that to open the status menu. Here, you can choose from a variety of preset statuses, or even create your own custom message to let your friends and servers know what you're up to. Now, here's the key step. Tap on Clear After. This option allows you to decide how long your status will stay visible before it automatically clears itself. From the list of time options, select 4 hours. This means your status will remain active for exactly 4 hours and then disappear, keeping your profile up to date without any extra effort. After choosing 4 hours, simply exit the menu, and your status will be set to auto-clear. It's that simple. This feature is perfect for those moments when you want to share what you're doing but don't want your status to stick around indefinitely. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to manage your Discord status with an automatic timer. Give it a try and enjoy the convenience of having your status update itself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips to get the most out of your Discord experience.